Save the Lost Five Puppies by Kimora. I was walking home from the monkey park with my mom's sister, brother. I heard someone say, "I lost my puppies." Did you see which way they went? They went to the left. We looked around the town. They weren't anywhere. So we made some posters. In the morning, me and Mom put them up everywhere. It said, "Help find these lost puppies. If you find them, call 334-782-683. Please help us find them. They're all brown and black." The phone rang. Someone found the puppies, all 5 puppies. We called Miss Patton and she gave us $110. Me and Mom said, "We're rich." Me, Mom, Dad, sister, and brother got all the toys we want.